Good.
Experience.
Experience.
3 years working.
Oh, that's
Just room
nice.
attendant.
So you came from Vietnam 33 years ago. You coming as refugees or as you? Oh, okay. At the time, still Vietnam War.
Yeah. No, finished war already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But you work very fast.
Thank you, madam.
Amazing.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, so you live nearby the Hyatt Regency hotel?
I'm hotel staff.
Oh, so you stay here? Your house?
I'm bank staff.
Bankstown, is it far?
About 45 on the train, 45 minutes.
With train?
Yeah, just the train.
MRT?
Still waiting for them from home to station. Over an hour a day.
An hour?
One trip.
One trip?
2 hours, nearly 2 hours lost
Wow.
for travel.
Is the salary enough for you?
Doesn't matter salary, madam. I just want healthy because alone need health a lot.
Oh, okay. How many relatives you are here in Sydney or in?
Now, what is Sydney? Only big family from my uncle.
Oh, your uncle and how many?
Melbourne and Perth. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Not only in Sydney. In Sydney, how many people from Vietnam that is in your house?
Me only.
Oh, okay. So you rent the apartment?
Yeah.
You still renting, not owning the house?
Yeah, I don't need that.
Oh, you don't need. So you spend your money for yourself,
Yeah.
not sharing to your relatives.
No.
Oh, okay. So what's your name again?
Minh Thu.
Minh Thu. Okay. I went to Vietnam once.
You like my country, madam?
Yes, but the house is very tall and tiny.
Yeah.
It's
Because crowded.
crowded.
More land small, but people very crowded. I think nearly 90 million, nearly.
90 million in the Ho Chi Minh City?
No, in Vietnam.
Oh, in Vietnam. Okay.
Before about 60 something million now.
Okay. When you arrive here, is with the help of your friends or your relatives or?
Now government support me.
Government of Vietnam supported you?
No.
Government of Australia.
Australia,
Okay.
yeah.
So they are very welcome to.
Now here are family still support you, but relative don't think so.
Oh, okay. Well, how about the government support? Are they good here in Australia?
I don't know, good or not, depend on you. You think
okay.
you already had somewhere you compare.
Okay.
So you know, it's good, better or not, but I don't mind.
But they are not discriminating you, right?
No.
Oh, that's good.
They're very friendly.
You're very friendly. Okay.
Yeah, even they are high class, they still treat you like the same.
Same people. Oh, that's nice.
I like that. On the train, I heard people said from other countries said they like the most in Australia is people very friendly.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I met with Indonesian people also wearing batik and they also able to speak Bahasa Indonesia. So it's Indonesian language.
Yeah.
So you still speak Vietnamese language?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Nice
See you. You have a very nice job. I mean,
Thank you, madam.
and you work very, very good.
Thank you, madam.
Bye. Tuh tadi Mintung kerjanya bagus. Coba bayangin banyak banget di kamar yang harus dibersihin. Tuh banyak banget. Banyak banget kan? Kerjanya cepet. Hyatt Regency Sydney.